How often were you asked what you wanted to be when you grew up? As a young person, I didn't know the answer to that question until I began to understand the importance design has in our lives. I observed the impressions tangible experiences left on a person, creating an innate understanding that every element we interact with can leave a lasting impact. Design is all around us, from the clothes we wear to the products we use to the buildings we inhabit. I now see design as a transformative power on our perspective of the world. My name is Henry Hamas. I'm a fourth-year interior architecture student at Kansas State University, currently studying abroad in Orvieto, Italy. My design for Next Robotics seeks to create a solution for the modern workplace by acknowledging their goal for an innovative, inclusive, and diverse future. To fulfill these goals, my design solution pulls inspiration from one of the most overlooked diverse networks of individuals existing today, public transportation. Public transportation often conveys negative connotations. However, it is inspirational when it brings together a diverse cross-section of a city's population. Every individual who uses public transportation has a unique background and a story to tell. Utilizing functional and intentional design strategies, spaces can be created to allow for these stories to be told. Research indicated the workplace wasn't allowing for underrepresented groups to feel heard internally in the workplace. I wanted to create a workplace that allowed for each individual to bring their full authentic self along with their unique background, stories, and ideas to work each day. For this, I developed solutions in spatial typologies that allow for comfortable and casual environments for people to speak freely with one another, informal conversation lounges, and on-the-fly conversation bars. These spaces allow for conversations to occur in informal environments, expanding the network of voices from underrepresented user groups that otherwise may not have been brought to life. In the modern model of workplace design, 5 work modes are used to drive intentional design moves: socializing, collaborating, learning, rejuvenation, and focused spaces. They allow each employee to access a range of choice and control to support their wants and needs in the workplace. Utilizing my conceptual inspiration, I translated each division of Boston's public transportation system directly to a defined work mode. Socializing spaces, representing the subway, act as communal spaces where a network of diverse individuals gather and celebrate an authentic company culture. Collaboration spaces, representing the bus system, allow for people to come together to freely exchange ideas, gain knowledge, and innovate in environments that are flexible to users' needs. Learning spaces, representing the commuter rail, are dedicated environments that support company growth and innovation. Personal focus and rejuvenation spaces, correlating to the ferry's characteristic calming environment, provide a diversity of experiences to accommodate a spectrum of personal preferences and tasks for each person to be productive, comfortable, and secure. The space is organized around a central circulation path, connecting 3 main departmental teams. Each has a variety of spatial accommodations adjacent to the circulation, providing multi-purpose environments for each employee to choose how and where their work gets done. The central walkway purposely causes individuals to cross paths through key intersections of movement, utilizing planned conversation lounges and bars to support unplanned interactions between employees, to share ideas, stories, and have their voices be heard. A user begins their journey at the reception, pulling clients, consumers, and employees alike into the space, engaging them into the collaborative culture of the company. A balanced distribution of supportive breakout spaces, project rooms, and flexible office work areas for individual or team collaboration are utilized, supporting each department while reinforcing interactions. Flexible furniture choices and integrated communication methods throughout the office environment allow every individual to manipulate their environment for their own needs and preferences. The final stop of our tour of Nexus office is the Work Cafe. Strategically located in the corner of the building, it serves as a central station for employees to gather. A multifaceted social engagement space, the Work Cafe uses street art to represent the ultimate inclusion of the innovative and diverse individuals who make up Next in the local culture of Boston. Design influences our daily lives, whether we recognize it or not. It is the power to create a positive impact and a significant difference in our world. At Gensler, their values, coupled with a commitment to design and the importance of innovative research, this mission becomes a reality. My name is Henry Hamas, and I am an inspiring designer for a better tomorrow.